My name is Miss Celeste and I work at Shorehaven Elementary. And today I'm going to be reading to you Clifford's Hiccups, which has been adapted by Suzanne Weyn and is based on the book series The Clifford Big Red Dog from Scholastic, which was written by Norman Birdwell. And it is with thanks and permission to Scholastic that I'm able to share this book with you. Now, hiccups can be a funny, silly thing that everyone gets to deal with, but sometimes too much of a good thing is kind of a bad thing. So let's see how Clifford deals with his hiccups. Hiccup! Emily Elizabeth sat up in bed. What's that sound, she wondered. Hiccup! Up popped the teddy bear, up popped the doll, and up popped Emily Elizabeth. Clifford had the hiccups. Emily Elizabeth went down to breakfast. Hiccup! Up popped the plates and cups. Up popped the orange juice, right onto Mr. Howard's head. Maybe the vet can help Clifford, said Mrs. Howard. Dr. Din checked Clifford's breathing. Hiccup! Clifford just has a case of the hiccups, Dr. Din said. Sooner or later, they will go away. Outside the doctor's office, Clifford saw his friends T-Bone and Mac. Hiccup! I know how to make Clifford's hiccups go away, T-Bone said to Mac. I'll give him a little scare. Boo! T-Bone shouted. Let's see, take your guesses. Did it go away? 1, 2. But Clifford's hiccups did not go away. Hiccup! I know how to make your hiccups go away, said to Mac. Mac said to Clifford, follow me. Mac led Clifford to a kiddie pool. Shut your eyes, hold your ears, then turn upside down and drink, said Mac. So Clifford shut his eyes, held his ears, turned upside down, and drank when... What's going to happen? Let's see. Boo! T-Bone jumped out of the pool. And Clifford's hiccups stopped. I did it, said T-Bone. I did it, said Mac. Hiccup! Oh no, T-Bone and Mac were very disappointed. We really wanted to help, said T-Bone. You did help, said Clifford. You didn't make my hiccups go away, but I feel good because you tried so hard. Just then, Emily Elizabeth came by. How are your hiccups? She asked. Everyone listened. Then they listened some more. Do you hear anything? Clifford's hiccups were finally gone. Yay! Thank you, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that book. I wonder how his hiccups went away. Take some guesses, and hopefully you don't have the hiccups forever either. Thanks for listening.